20 minutes isn't that much time. Wait, how do you use a glue gun?
Don't run with scissors.
There's just like not even any hope.
Hey, I am here with DIY extraordinaire, amazing Amber from NBC's Making It.
How did you start crafting?
I was working full-time as a clinical psychologist. Now this is what I do.
That's awesome.
I know, right?
And Clark.
That's my title.
Today we're gonna do a little competition. We're gonna throw some parties. We've got a whole bunch of goodies over there for you guys. Each of you are gonna get a theme for your party. You're gonna pick it out of these bowls. You're gonna run over there. You're gonna grab as many things as you can, build this party. It's gonna be awesome. You're gonna have 20 minutes to assemble your party, and at the end, we're gonna invite some guests to come check out your space, and they're gonna decide which party they like better.
The pressure.
Wow, man.
Are you guys ready for this?
I'm ready. Can't wait to kick the craft out of you.
All right. Pick your themes from your bowls.
I feel like this party's gonna be lit.
What'd you get?
Under the sea.
Carnival.
Let's get this party started.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, carnival.
Under the sea.
Ooh, this is good for a carnival.
Look at this. This is good.
Cute. Okay. Oh man, Clark's already back at the table! If you feed people, they'll like your party. A white tablecloth is a good place to start.
20 minutes isn't that much time. I feel like I'm not doing well already.
This is pressure. This is harder than making it.
Going with a very obvious blue for the sea.
I would not have worn hot pink lipstick if I'd known I'd be blowing up balloons. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna pass out!
This marker is not good. I do not like it.
I wonder if this glue gun will glue these together without popping them.
Tell me what you're doing over here.
Okay, so the plan right now, well, what am I doing? I don't know.
Great.
But okay, here we go. I'm gonna make a balloon garland centerpiece for the center of the table. So you can just hot glue them together and then kind of arrange them down the center of the table.
Clark, what are you doing over here?
Well, tell me, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob
So we're going with the SpongeBob
SquarePants.
theme.
I love
We're
it.
gonna have pineapple cups. I'm making Squidward's house right now.
All right, I'm just gonna leave you be. This is amazing.
Yeah, it's not like these cups.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Wait, how do you use a glue gun?
Well, that's good when your opponent says that.
Hey, we're all just trying to make it.
Oh my goodness.
I'm feeling inspired and sweaty. This is what pineapples look like, right?
I had pom-poms, pom-poms. Where'd the pom-poms go?
Look, it's Patrick.
There is something endearing about what you're doing over there.
Thanks.
No problem, anytime.
I'm glad you see my vision.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, how did yours get so cute so fast? Damn it!
10 minutes remaining.
Make this a candy carnival. The candy carnival.
Oh man, what food do you eat in the ocean? You're not supposed to eat and swim. These look like SpongeBob.
Jeez. Okay.
Now that there's food, I feel a bit better about my vision.
Really get your hands all up in their food.
I will not touch the glue this time.
We've got drinks too. If you give people liquor or some sort of alcohol, they will also, well, the alcohol's falling apart. Okay.
Every time I look over, I'm just amazed by how much you have.
I'm kind of amazed myself.
You just got pretty stuff in the middle of your table. Mine has nothing. I'm feeling insecure. I mean, what else could I even use?
You guys have 5 minutes left.
Okay, F word! There's just like not even any hope.
I need to write on this thing somehow. Oh, there's paint. There's paint.
She has time to do paint?
Let's party? What do you say to carnival?
I can't help you here, homie.
Oh, maybe I'll have enough time to make a pin. Don't run with scissors.
2-minute warning.
Nikes. Wine. Let's drink. Let's get wasted. Pink, obviously.
Yellow, because it looks like pineapple Pinot. It's a nice blend.
1 minute warning.
How did you open that?
With my hand. Aha! Somebody's got to find a corkscrew.
You've beat me. I have no clue. It's a serve yourself type of an affair. It's fine.
Yeah, I guess you don't go to a
25
party where the
seconds.
drinks are pre-poured. No! Why do you know everything, Amber? Oh, frick, I didn't...
10,
No!
9,
No!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your job is
Under the sea. Oh, man.
Good job, guys.
Yours has so much flair.
Oh my gosh, I am
This is actually,
sweating so much right now.
this is really impressive.
I know. I'm proud of myself.
You did a great job.
It's cohesive.
I love these pineapples. They kind of look like boobs a little bit.
Cool.
Who's this?
This is Squidward and SpongeBob and Patrick.
That is a good pineapple.
So here we have SpongeBob cake pants. They're pineapple bundt cakes. We have some pineapple Pinot. And here we got some sweet sea kelp.
Well, what I would do differently.
Critique me, Amber, the
Do you want
master
to know all the
crafter.
things or just a couple?
Tell me all the ways.
I would go for a focal point down the middle of the table
Okay,
rather than the corner situation we have here.
okay.
I kind of am into this circle of plates. I wouldn't have done it, but I don't hate it.
Okay, you know what, Clark? I'm gonna try one of these little pineapple,
Oh, thank you, yes.
pineapple cakes.
Here you go.
Barley lemon instead of pineapple. Did you lie to me?
I'm sorry, I thought y'all would be drunker at this point.
As good as this is, I'm so sorry. I'm a sucker for pink and for pops of color. I think this table has it right here. I do.
I think the Under the Sea one wins most improved, but the Carnival is player of the day.
I think I'm gonna go with Clark's party. The carnival.
Amber, you're the winner.
Bravo.
That is a wrap on our competition. Be sure to check out Amber on her blog, Damask Love, where she has all sorts of DIY crafts and projects and inspirational ideas. And definitely follow her story and root for her along the way on NBC's Making It. And subscribe for more Nifty.